Justin here with Pine Acres RV here in Stewiacke, and check out what I have behind me, guys. Check out the A-frame 2015 Rockwood Premier by Forest River, of course, 122BH. This is an awesome unit, guys. Look at the outside. It's beautiful, very well kept. You do have exterior speakers. You have power cords, lights. Over here, this is probably my favorite feature. Look at the front of this. You can fit everything under the sun right up front, and it does fold right down. It's just like towing a tent trailer. Super awesome. Propane tanks, battery, all that fun stuff up front. Let's check her out. Wow. Now this is cozy. Sit down here. This will make a bed as well, guys, just so you know. And we're a little wobbly because the jacks aren't down. There's a mirror right there. There's also skylights there. Brings in a lot of natural light. Right over here we have our furnace and AC controls. We have our stereo deck. And then over this way we have our mini fridge. 3-burner cooktop. You do have a sink right here as well, and some storage down below. Now over here on this side we have our microwave, more storage, and if that wasn't enough storage for you guys, boom, check that out. All kinds of hidden storage. Windows, another skylight, lights throughout. This unit's super awesome, guys. If you want to come check out this unit for yourselves, come on down to Pine Acres Stewiacke, exit 11, and don't forget to keep an eye on our website at www.pineacresrv.com.